Session 5, Assisted Reproductive Technology. What is the major cause of medical infertility in the individuals? Distribution of the causes. In the couple, the infertility rate may be 40% in case of female and 40% in case of male, and remaining 20% is unexplained. Coming to the female infertility, what is the major cause of female infertility? So, the major cause of female infertility is the ovulated disorder. It may be due to the fallopian tube damage, or it may be due to the endometriosis, or cervical or uterine factors, or immunological factors. The ovulatory disorder may be due to the endocrine defect or past surgery, and the immunological factors may be due to the sperm antibodies. Coming to the ovulatory disorder. So, what is meant by ovulatory disorder? The failure to transfer the matured ova so that it can fertilize with a sperm and further result in the pregnancy in the women. If there is delay in the ova release, it may cause ovulatory disorder. That may be due to the endocrine defect, that is a production of the hormones may be delayed, or the hormonal if there is an hormonal imbalance or less secretion of the progesterone and the estrogen hormones, that may result in the ovulatory disorder, or that may cause us the female infertility. And fallopian tube damage, this also increases the risk of ectopic pregnancy. So, the fallopian tube, you know that there are two thin tubes on each side of the uterus. So, the mature egg from the ovaries must travel through these tubes to reach the uterus. So, when it can be fertilized and implanted into the uterine wall, and if the FT or the fallopian tube is damaged or blocked, this odds of conceptions are significantly decreased. So, what is meant by ectopic pregnancy? This also increases the risk of ectopic pregnancy where the fertilized eggs has been implanted outside the uterus. Usually, in the fallopian tube, the pregnancies are not viable and may lead to the serious medical complication. Another reason of female infertility is endometriosis. About 30 to 40% of the affected women's symptoms is due to the endometriosis, which includes the pelvic pain, abnormal menstrual cycle, and bleeding and pain during the bowel movement or intercourse. Or it may be due to the PCOD problem, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. This also causes the female infertility. Or it may be due to the cervical or uterine factors, and then the immunological factors which affects the female infertility. Coming to the male infertility. So, what are the major causes of male infertility? The major cause of male infertility is due to the semen production disorder, or due to the abnormal spermatogenesis, endocrine disorder, failure to secrete the hormones, estrogen, the testosterone and androgen hormones, and it may be due to the infectious diseases like mumps, and it may be due to the previous cancer therapy, because the therapy may be radiation therapy, or it may be chemotherapy, or therapy for the cancer disease. So, that may affect the child which is born to this person. So, also the antibodies. Then another is hormonal abnormality, or the tubal blockage, or partial or total tubal blockage may affects the infertility in case of male. It may be congenital, or it may be previous surgery or physical injury, or it may be genetic, or it may be due to the infections. This may also cause us the infertility in male. And also the physiological and psychological disorder may cause impotency in case of male, and they may ejaculate the sperm prematurely. That is, premature ejaculation is another reason for male infertility. Not only this, when you come to the age factor, the fertility declines with the age. So, in this diagram, you can see how the fertility is declining depending upon the age. For example, if the woman is about 25 is of 25 age, the fertility is increased. For example, the fertility rate may be increased to 80%. When she comes to the age of 25 to 29, the fertility rate is slightly decreased. It may be of about 47.7%, and when it is of when she is of age of 30 to 34, the fertility rate is decreased to 38.2, and when she comes to 35 to 39 of age, the fertility may decrease to 35 to 35.5%, and similarly when she reaches the age of 39 and odd, definitely the fertility rate is declining. So in case of female, the age also matters, where the fertility decreases as the age increases. So this is clearly depicted with the diagram, that is the bar diagram, which shows us which goes on decreasing as there is an increase in the age. And coming to the conceptus that the human fecundity is nothing but the number of eggs laid, that is probability of achieving a clinically recognized pregnancy with any given menstrual cycle, and it is about 25%, and I level of fertilization, that is failure or early developmental death, are the norm at conceptions. Spontaneous abortion is one nature's way to encounter negative genetic and environmental factor. When you look into the graph, it is showing that 50 to 60% is unknown etiology. That means, what is the reason for the human congenital abnormalities at the birth, and 20 to 25% is due to the multifactorial inheritance, and 7 to 10% is due to the environmental agent, and whereas 7 to 8 is due to the mutant gene, and 6 to 7 it is due to the chromosomal abnormalities. These are the major causes for the human congenital abnormalities at the birth. So this, in order to cure all these infertility problems, whether it lies in male or whether it is lies in female, there are various technologies are available. That is what is called as assisted reproductive technology. It is otherwise called as ART. So coming to the different types of assisted reproductive technology, one is artificial insemination by donor or husband, that is also called as AID or AIH. Another one is in vitro fertilization and embryo transfer. The third one is direct intraperitoneal insemination, DIPI. Gamete intrafallopian transfer, that is called GIFT. Zygote intrafallopian transfer, ZIFT. Then intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. Sperm collection by the way of microsurgery. Embryo and sperm cryopreservation and storage. Cytoplasmic transfer. Pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, PGD. Karyotyping and genetic manipulation. Then tissue banking, ovulation induction, laparoscopy and hysteroscopy, laser laparoscopy, hysterosonography, ultrasound scanning, egg and embryo donation, and posthumous gamete donations. These are some of the major assisted reproductive technology, that is ART technology, that can be used to cure infertility problems. Coming to the explanation of one by one, what is meant by artificial inseminations, that will be done in the next session.